Have you ever met someone for the first time and within seconds you just knew you could trust them? Not because they said something brilliant, not because they had a fancy title, but because of how they arrived. Welcome to the Invisible Stage Daily, the place where we do the unseen work, so when life puts us in the spotlight, we show up with confidence and presence. And today we are talking about a tiny moment that has massive impact. The first 10 seconds. Most people think trust is built over time. And yes, time matters, but here's what we forget. Trust begins in an instant. It begins when you walk into a room, when you join a Zoom call, when you step up to the microphone. When someone says, "Hi, nice to meet you." And before you even get to your message, people feel something. They are not thinking, is she smart? They are feeling, is she safe? Is she steady? Can I relax around her? Does she know where she is going? That's presence. And presence creates trust. What is the micro moment? It's what I call your arrival energy. It's the combination of your pace, your breath, your eyes, your tone, your stillness, and the way you hold space before you speak. I want you to hear this clearly. You can have the most powerful story in the world, but if you enter with nervous speed, scattering energy, or apologetic tone, people will feel uncertainty before they hear your brilliance. This is why two people can say the exact same sentence, and one sounds like a leader, and the other sounds like they're asking permission to exit. Same words, different arrival. Here's the truth. People don't trust your expertise first. They trust your energy. They trust the emotional signal you send. I'm grounded. I am present. I am listening. I am not here to perform. I'm here to connect. That signal is the invisible stage. It's the part nobody teaches in school, but it's the part everyone feels. I'm going to give you a simple method you can use today, anywhere. I call it pause, breathe, aim, hero, eat. All right, number one, pause. Before you speak, pause for a beat. Not awkward, not dramatic, just one grounded beat that says, I'm here. Number two, breathe. One slow breath. This resets your nervous system and shows your pace. Number three, use their name early. Hi, Mark, it's great to see you. Or if you don't know the name, what's your name, right? So they will tell you. And then you answer, hi, Mark, it's nice to see you. Names create warmth, instant connection. Number four, mirror. Match their energy. So if they are a fast talker, talk a little bit faster. You don't have to race them, but you want to be in their energy. And if they are more laid back, they're slow talking, then you are laid back and talk a little bit slower than normal. You can be the calm in the room, but still, mirroring means you are tuned in. And number five, lead. Then lead with a clear sentence. Not a ramble, not an apology, a clear opener like, here's what I'd love to focus on today. Let me start with the most important point, or the outcome we want is. That's leadership. And leadership builds trusts. So here is your invisible stage assignment. Record a 10-second greeting on your phone 3 times. Rushed, neutral, grounded. And then listen back. Most people are shocked by what they hear, not because they sound bad, but because they finally notice the difference between speaking from nerves and speaking from presence. If today's episode landed for you, remember this. People trust the version of you who arrives grounded, not louder, not faster, not polished, grounded. And if you want to strengthen that kind of on-demand presence, whether it's on camera, on stage, or in a room full of decision makers, I invite you to check out my Vibrant Voices network. It is a community in which you can show up as your best self, practice your presentation skills, your presence, and create community. I have the link in the show notes so you can check it out. Now, hurry up because I am closing the doors at the end of this year. So if you listen to this and it's already 2026, you might not be able to come in at this particular moment. But if so, click the link and check it out. Last but not least, I got a lot of feedback from you asking questions, wanting to have more interaction. So I decided I am moving the invisible stage from being here as a podcast on Spotify to my YouTube channel, where I am going to start doing those episodes live. So you can have interaction, you can ask questions. Starting in January, we are moving to a live show Monday through Fridays. I will have off on Saturday and Sunday, but Monday through Friday, I am going to do a daily show. I will also have that daily show on Instagram and Facebook. So just join me in any of the channels and you can have interaction with me. Giving you heads up, it doesn't mean if you don't see it anymore, I'm stopping it. I'm just moving it so we have more interaction. I hope to see you there. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do this now so you won't miss when I'm going live or when I upload a new episode. Until I see you again, always remember, master the moments no one sees to lead the moments everyone remembers.